Montague House is the Toronto home of Kenneth Montague, his wife, visual artist, and educator Sarah Aranha, and their 2 boys. Kenneth Montague is a dentist and collector whose wedge collection is one of the world's most important privately owned collections committed to championing Black artists. He leverages his collection and his nonprofit arts organization, Wedge Curatorial Projects, to create exhibitions and events that explore an expansive expression of Black identity. Tura's challenge was threefold. 1. To honor the house's historical integrity, while also reviving it as a functional home for a young family, not a museum. 2. To add a new layer of contemporary architecture expressive of Tura's own style and preoccupations. 3. And to do so while not upstaging the art. The architectural solution involved a careful restoration of the street-facing facade and a subtle dormer addition on the side of the house to contain a staircase that allows the family to make use of the attic. An addition on the rear accommodates a family room, an eat-in kitchen, and a principal bedroom suite, contemporary living spaces that didn't exist when the original house was built. Inside, Tura designed a series of volumes, or cutouts, and interior windows that provide sequential moments of livable area and relief in the space, and different vantage points to view art. The first of these, the living room box, which includes double-height spaces accommodating larger works, but also drawing connections with the second floor. Similarly, Kenneth's office, while small in footprint, has a double-height ceiling that draws the space with the attic. These spaces demonstrate the customization of the architecture, reflect the playfulness of the family, and highlight that in this house, one should feel relaxed. But at the same time, you are looking, thinking, and experiencing art, architecture, and design in new and unexpected ways.